Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the area. This removes oils that block adhesion. Once clean, inspect the scuff depth and decide if filler is needed. Mix dye or paint to match color precisely, testing on an inconspicuous spot. Apply a thin primer if the manufacturer suggests it, because primer improves durability. Use a small brush for edges and a slightly larger one for broader areas. Allow thin coats to dry between applications. Don't rush or you'll trap solvents under the finish. Once filler is set, you begin layering color to rebuild the surface. Apply one thin coat, let it dry, then inspect. This prevents runs and uneven texture. Use feathering strokes outward from the repair so the new pigment blends into surrounding leather. If you need more coverage, repeat with another thin coat rather than one heavy pass. After color matches, gently buff the transition with a soft cloth or very fine pad to smooth any ridge and ensure the finish reads as one continuous surface. Finish by sealing the repair with a compatible top coat to protect color and resist wear. Apply one thin coat. Once dry, assess gloss and add a second if needed. Let the shoe cure fully, usually 24–48 hours, before wearing, and then condition the leather to restore flexibility. If you notice peeling or obvious color mismatch, lightly sand raised spots and reapply, or remove the layer with appropriate solvent and restart the process. Always test fixes on a hidden area before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.